In front of me is INFINIX Hot 50 and today I would like to show you how you can clean storage. First of all, you need to find an app called Files that's already on your INFINIX. Click on it. And when you're ready, tap on those three lines at the top left corner. Now select Clean. Tap on Clean under Junk Files and finally Clear in the pop-up. So when I do that, as you can see, storage of my INFINIX was successfully cleaned. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!